So I just did a recent install on this 2016 F-150. It's just an XL model. It's my own POV. I work for the fire department. I just put some lights, emergency equipment in it, and a radio. So just to go over a little bit of what I got in here. So first off, as you can see, I'm gonna get a zoom out view of this. It's a Havas console. It's pretty nice actually. It cleans up the truck a lot. Looks good, looks professional. So the way this console is designed, and it's actually like any Havas console that you order online, it's specifically made for the vehicle. All makes, all models, and pretty much all years you can order a Havas console. As you can see, there has the Havas sticker on it. But you can see that it's a really nice fit. There's no gaps. There's nothing. And then you can see over here the USB port. So in order to install this console, you have to actually remove this bezel here. Has a couple screws. The front radio bezel you have to remove all the way down to the bottom. There's actually a section that you remove and you don't replace it. The brackets that come with this specific console for this specific vehicle mounts into your existing hardware mounting areas for your regular factory dash, so it fits pretty well and it's pretty easy for install. So back over here with the USB port. So my factory dash had a USB port in it. This kit comes with the harness to extend it out from your factory to the console, so you don't lose that option of the USB port, which is kind of handy. So with the console, it comes obviously with the actual console base itself, and it comes with all these filler plates. And they send you the filler plates that are specifically tailored to what you have for equipment or what you're putting into the console. So for me, I only have a couple switches and a radio, but you know, other municipalities or fire departments, they're going to probably have a lot more than this. They're going to have a switch box, they're going to have other switches, a radio, a siren box, so they may need specific filler plates for that. So what you do when you order this, and you can get it right on havas.com, or you can order on the website that I use, which is strobesandmore.com. They have pretty good prices. What you can do is, when you order online, you specify the equipment you're going to be using. So for me, all I had to specify was that I'm using the Motorola Radius CM300 series radio, because as you can see, that bracket is very specifically designed for this radio, so it makes it look nice and neat. These switches I also got on strobesandmore.com. They're about $7 a piece. Essentially, they're just regular toggle switches, front lights, rear lights. So that's the console. As you can see, it looks really nice and neat. I got the mic over there. I mounted it on the side. The good thing about this console is that you don't have to mount anything like the mic. You don't have to put up on the dash, drill into your factory dash or anything. So that makes it nice. This console can come completely out when I'm done with the truck, and you won't even know it was ever here. So that's the console. I'll turn the... So I have it hooked up to the power where when you turn the ignition key on, so like I have it, radio come on, and then the power to the switches will also be activated. So
542.